In our last video, we already studied how to use watercolor to paint an eye. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to paint and analyze the nose with watercolor. This channel is all about how to make drawing and painting fun and easy. If you'd like to learn more about portrait drawing and painting, please subscribe and turn on notification. I am going to start with a very light color instead of using a pencil. So let's take a look. I'm going to use these two fingers. So I'm going to show you that where is the location. I'm going to paint the nose. So I'm going to paint the nose right here, make it a little bigger. So the right side over here, the left side over here. Make your decision in a step-by-step process. You don't want to do everything at once. Okay, that's good. I'm going to decided the bottom of the nose would be in here. Like that. And then we can see a triangular shape. And the nostril would be sitting in here. If you haven't tried to paint watercolor without a graphite pencil drawing, and this is your challenge, okay, to see if you can do that without fear. Okay, so this is the nose, like this. That's the nostril. Okay, that's good. And come up here. And there is the transitions. I can see the shape right in this location. Double check. One is about a little bit more than a quarter. So this is about right. And this area is the highlight area. So up here, there is a little dimmer, a little bit darker orange color, like that. Right, this is good. Now I'm going to come to the 1-inch flat brush. I'm going to mix the yellow color with the red. A little bit more yellow. When we're painting the nose, the color looks a little bit simpler. Now, and I'm going to just blend the color on. At this step, I only want you to think about where is the lighter area versus everything else. Like this is there. I'm going to have a little bit more red. And this is a little bit dimmer. So only leave this area a little bit lighter, like that. And then the side of the nose and coming over here. And you only need to keep that in your mind when you are painting. You don't really need to see all the previous line, and trust yourself and you can do it. Yeah. That's the side of the nose. You probably now at this point you're a little afraid. Kind of, whoa. Now where I'm gonna go? There's no guidelines. Okay, no worry. You can do it too. Okay, like that. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work on the little transition by just remove all the excess water. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just lift this up, have a little bit soft transition. And if you're still afraid, stick with me. Don't worry. And then over here, a little bit softer. Like that. And very quick, we're going to get the guideline back by, we're going to remake the guideline. I'm going to make this a little bit softer. And you still can make up a new mind, okay? If something that you did before is now you have a chance to start over. Okay. And also the color that you put on, they're not going to be dark enough for what you want. So this is only their beginning. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix a little darker color. Okay, right for the area at the bottom, squint your eye, you can see the connections of the value contrast. Okay, I'm going to have this a little bit darker right in here, like that. Okay. Now also have a little bit this color, put it right here. And then have a little red orange color, and then put it right in here, the side of the nose. So almost like someone gives you a piece of clay and want you to create an object with 3-dimensional. There's just no guideline in there, and you just need to mold it the way you want it. I'm going to make this size a little bit lighter. Okay, that's good. Make that a little bit softer. That's the cheek area. Okay, still squinting my eye, and now I'm going to also soften this area. Okay, now I'm looking at the big area, not the smaller details. So I'm going to get the yellow with the red. I'm going to put this color right over here. And also this color right over here. I'm going to get just the red color and put it over here above the nose. They actually look a little bit more red. Like that. And then come to this side, the side of the nose, like this. Maybe I can open up a little bit wider, like that. Okay. Okay. And then the bottom over here have a little bit more red. Like that. This exercise will train you to focus. Okay, I'm gonna take this color and put this there, a little darker area under the nose. Let's see. So this will be the nostril area. Now we put back some suggestions. That's the other nostril. This a little bit softer. Come down over here. Only see the big shape, the big connections. I'm gonna soften this area. I'm just take a little red color. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna just put this color right over here. That's good. You can see the big shape. And this color coming down over here. And connected to up over here. And then coming down. That's good. And like this. And a little bit soft. I'm still using this 1-inch big brush. I think I need a little bit yellow, make it look like a warm orange color. What I'm going to give it a little more is here. I painted with this brush like a small flat brush by using only a section of it. Now we're working into the nostril. I'm gonna use this small calligraphy brush. I'm gonna come in to work into the form first, including the surrounding. So from a little lighter to a little bit darker. So I'm gonna get a little yellow color, and I think this is the color. Start with this, maybe a little blue. Get a little blue. Here you go. Let's take a look at in here. Look at that. I think this can be a little bit higher, a little bit. Like that. Coming on this side here. That's good. And like that. And then on this side, as compared to, it's almost level. So like this. Like that. Let's see. Should come in a little bit more. Like that. Okay. Now I'm going to use just form it a little bit flat like this, right? So it's easier to just have a smooth transition like that. It's very easy to do it. And also in here, I'm gonna take a little bit of this warm brown color like this. Here you go. Like that. And maybe also have very light color like this. And I'm gonna add that a little more. Like that. A little bit here too. Now soften this just with the water. And then, that's good. Like that. And the bottom over here, I'll also open this. And I have this a little smooth transition. Like that. Looks good. I have a little red. Just a little red color coming over here. Add it to there. I'm gonna soften it a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Now we're gonna come into go for the deeper color. Okay, now I'm mixing the deeper, darker color, darker brown color. So take this red and the present blue. I know the purple color is not that bright because this is green shade. Now I'm going to take a little bit yellow color. Now I have a little bit kind of brown color, so I'm going to mix a little bit more red, a little bit blue, and that's just good. Now I'm going to take a look coming in here. Here you go. That's darker. Like that. And then coming to this side. Let's take a look. Like this. Okay. They're getting better. Now I'm going to just take the red color and here have a little connection. That's good. Over here, a little connection. Okay. Now I'm going to make this a little bit lighter. Like that. Now let's see. Over here too. And then I'm gonna have a little more red color at the outside over here. You see this a little bit more. They actually this color connecting with the catch the shadow color like that, and also add a little bit here like that. That looks good. They're a little bit softer. Okay, let's see. And the center over here, and I'm gonna have a little bit clear transition. I'm going to just take this color. That's good. A little bit red. Good. Now let's see. That color coming from here, coming down like this. Like that. And then coming up with this color. Okay. Now let's see. I'm gonna get a little red color and have this connecting up here. And this edge over here, like that. That's good. Connect that up here, softly coming up. And then a little soft on both sides. Now we can see the nose more real, and have a little bit softer here, and then gradually coming to this side. Also take the red color now. Gradually blend it in the catch the shadow area. And also I'm gonna get just the red, a little red color. I'm gonna put a little bit. Remember we talk about the cross contour. We can also do something like the watercolor. A little bit softer. What you see sometimes is affected by how you feel. And then we come back with the flat brush. I'm gonna just take a little red color. And we want to just the red when I have this coming up like this. Make this a little bit smoother. Okay, on this side, make this a little bit red like that. That's good. And over here, a little red that's got overlaid. Wash a new color on the top. Now that's good. Now I use just the clean brush. I just wash it with the clean water. Now I make this a little smoother and turning over. Now the watercolor study of the nose is finished. I'm gonna make this a little bit lighter. You still can wash it. Like this. In our next video, we're gonna do the watercolor study of the mouth. This channel is all about how to make drawing and painting fun and easy. If you'd like to learn more about portrait drawing and painting, please subscribe and turn on notification. If you can support us, join our Enjoying Art artist community. You can upload your drawing and painting. You can get feedback. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video.